they tell you not everyone needs credit repair. Now, credit restoration and credit consultation is a whole nother conversation, but this is what you got to understand. Even if your score is less than ideal, that doesn't necessarily mean that you need to have things removed from your credit report. What do I mean? Sometimes your score can be less than ideal due to the fact that you haven't developed a good credit profile. You haven't built enough good solid credit. You haven't extended the age of your credit due to the fact that you don't have enough items on your thing reporting, or you have so many items that are brand new that's hindering your score from being less than ideal. So stop thinking just because your score is low that you automatically need credit repair. Now, credit restoration and credit consultation is a bit different. Credit restoration focuses on all 5 factors, not just getting things deleted, which is affecting your payment history. It also focuses on you having an understanding of what your profile needs to look like, because the biggest thing that you need to be concerned with is having a solid profile. Not just the score, not just the number, but a solid profile. There are people who have 700 plus, but their profile looks like a skeleton, meaning it doesn't have any meat on it. It doesn't have any substance. It doesn't have everything that the banks or the lenders or the creditors need in order to allow you to succeed when you apply for that loan. That said, understand where you are and understand what you need in terms of taking your credit to the next level. If you need assistance, I got you. Salute.